Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Feather client is up to date. Outdated builds often break auth flows. Once done, verify you have the exact account, email, and password ready, because typos look like server failures. Make sure VPNs or proxies are off and close apps that alter network stacks. They can block authentication tokens. Now open Feather and choose Sign In. This forces the client to fetch fresh auth endpoints and helps isolate whether the problem is local or server-side. Next, you dig into diagnosis. Start by testing your network path. Ping the auth server and confirm DNS resolves correctly, because broken name resolution causes silent failures. Then clear Feather's cache and remove any saved credentials, which forces a new token exchange. Once you reproduce the issue, collect client logs and note timestamps of sign-in attempts, since those logs show HTTP status codes. Make sure to capture error messages. They reveal whether it's a credentials, network, or token issue. To finish, force a fresh authentication flow. Reset the account password or revoke and reauthorize OAuth sessions so the server issues a new token. If token storage looks corrupt, uninstall Feather, delete its config directory, then reinstall and sign in. That clears persistent bad state. Once signed in, verify features that require auth. If problems continue, switch to a different network to rule out ISP blocks, and then send the collected logs and timestamps to support so they can trace the backend error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.